Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by hills, lived an old widow named Asha. She was gentle and wise, and though she had very little, she felt rich because she had 3 sons, Rohan, Kabir, and Dev. But there was one big problem. The 3 brothers could never get along. They argued over the smallest things: who would cook, who would clean, who worked harder, even who deserved more food. Their shouting filled the air daily, and Asha's heart grew heavy watching her sons drift apart. One day, Asha grew very ill. She knew she didn't have much time left. So, she called her sons to her bedside. "My sons," she said softly, "I have one last lesson to teach you. Go outside and bring me 3 sticks." Confused but concerned, they each brought a stick back to her. "Now, tie them together with this cloth," she said. Kabir tied the sticks into a tight bundle. "Try to break them," Asha said. Rohan tried first. He twisted and pulled with all his strength, but the bundle wouldn't budge. Then Dev took a turn. He grunted and strained, but still, nothing. Finally, Kabir tried, but even he, the tallest and strongest, couldn't break the bundle. Asha smiled, untied the sticks, and gave one to each son. "Now break them," she said. Snap! 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 Each stick broke easily in their hands. "Do you understand now?" Asha asked gently. "Alone, you are weak. Together, you are strong. Unity is your greatest power." For the first time, the brothers looked at each other with realization instead of resentment. From that day forward, they changed. Rohan worked in the fields, Kabir handled the animals, and Dev managed the sales and the market. Together, they transformed their small home into a happy, thriving farm. The villagers, once used to their constant fights, now admired their teamwork. When Asha passed away peacefully, the brothers planted a tree in her honor. Beneath it, they placed a stone with her final words carved on it. "Alone, you are weak. Together, you are strong." And under the shade of that tree, her sons, and later their children, lived in harmony for many years to come.